Bennett, and I'm a Human Resources Assistant here at Laboratory Testing Incorporated, and this is our Family Open House. As a family-owned company, family is very important to us, so today we've opened our doors and invited our employees' families inside to see the various material testing and calibration services that we provide here at LTI. We are offering our employees and their families a hot lunch, pie eating contest, a moon bounce, a cornhole tournament, and we'll wrap it all up with a raffle for some great prizes.
This is a great experience at Laboratory Testing. One of the great things about this is bringing the families all together. Laboratory Testing is a very family-oriented organization, and it's the best place I've ever worked in my life.
The ownership does a good job of giving back to the employees and making the employees feel appreciated. Perfect example is a day like today.
Today's event was a big success. I thank everyone who took part into making it a success, and I hope all the families enjoyed seeing and getting a peek at what we do.